We're now going to have a look at Rich, and this is the subfolder here. I'm in the README, and the links to Rich and PyBoxen are listed here. Just going to set up my virtual environment. These are example templates. You can have a look at them, and you can see how they work with Rich. We're importing the Rich logger. So if we run Python, and I'm going to do 51 tab, sorry, my mistake, Python 01, get into the section folder. 01, tab it, and then do underscore rich, and then do 01, 51. We'll see we get the nice output like here for logging. If we come and do 52, this is using PyBoxen, and notice how we can get a very nice box. We can move these across if we go into PyBoxen. When we come down into printing a boxen, we can have the title. We can also use rich formatting within it, so coloring, making it bold. We can align it, the subtitle at the top and the bottom, the color, green, around the border here, padding 2, full width true. If it needs to go to the full width of the console, this will set it. Those are my things here. So as you can see, we're printing out with rich console.print. If we import from rich.console, create an instance of it, we can then do console print, and we can use any of this formatting here. And you can put in bold, italic, whatever you want in here. The docs will kind of go through more details. I'm just going to be using the very basics just to produce nice output. And you can as well, if you want, do something a little bit more flashy. If you go into 53, I picked this up somewhere along the line. If you want to make nice kind of panels for like a talk, you can do that there. And the code obviously is demonstrated in here. But we're just using very basic PyBoxen and Rich so that it gives nice console output so we can see what's happening under the hood with our mocks and patches and so on. So that's underscore Rich for your use, and we've installed it, Rich and PyBoxen, some sample templates here for you.